What up, good people? How you doing? I'm eating corn. Anyways, forget it. It's a boy Flamatech, of course, and I'm back with another bang, of course. This one I'm just gonna go straight to the point. It's a gang sign tutorial. I call this gang sign from Choppa. So if there's some Choppa fans, or if y'all want to stack like Choppa, this is the right video for you. You know what I'm saying? So before you watch this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you please subscribe to my channel? And after all of y'all watch this video, I want you to like and comment. It's your boy Flamatego. I ain't gonna waste no time for you. So first, what you gonna do? You're gonna be like, boom. This is the first part. Let's go. Boom. After you do this, you're gonna be like, boom. So it's 1, 2. See? After you do this, you're gonna be like, boom. Get it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. After you do this, you're gonna be like, boom. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it. After you do this, you're gonna be like, boom. See? So let's go. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. That's the whole gang sign, my nigga. I mean, bro, or whatever. Let's go again. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying, what's the gang sign? So I'm gonna do it first way, you know what I'm saying? Go, it's gonna be like boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? One more time. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Flamatego on this thing, man. So if you all want more videos, you know, just say in the comment section and I'm gonna give you more videos. It's your boy Flamatego. Expect more videos coming out, you know what I'm saying? Gang.